people, me there hard here and I'm just done by 22,000 this. Come on, see the thing them there. Ah. I get this season, it's a full season up. Yeah, fully great guys. Easy rice. Clean up, and then cut up. 100 block of cement. Yeah. What's up? What's up, my beautiful people? Blessing, respect. I'm feeling so good, I'm feeling so bright, I'm feeling so motivated. Yeah. One of my subscribers sponsor me towards the project bill. Yeah, man, say respect to that subscriber. Yeah, man, appreciate it. Grateful. Yeah, man, give thanks for it. So right now, I'm going right hard way, go get some block now, make it up and get 100 more blocks. Yeah, some give thanks for it. Yeah, I don't want to mention the person name still. Yeah, I don't want to really mention the person, but you know yourself, the subscriber. Yeah, man, blessing. Yeah, when I check my PayPal, I see it coming, so I say, alright, I'm going to make it up and get 100 more blocks. So right now, yeah, I got the hard way now. Yeah. So catch me, I go hard here and I pay for the block. Yeah, I show now the quick. Yeah, and people, me there hard here and I'm just done by. Come to 22,000 this. I'm gonna get 100 block and some cement. 22,000. Yeah, people, I just reach back now. The more there, reach back, I'm gonna wait for the truck to come now. No? Drop off the block here. Yeah, man. You see it here. 22,000 Jamaican dollar. 510. Some buy 3 bags of cement. 100 block and 3 bags of cement. Yeah, I want to say respect to my subscriber. They give me a little donation to help make up. Yeah, man, it really help make up. So, there I go and wait for the truck now. Yeah. Yeah, man, as soon as the truck come, shut another little clip. You can see what I'm going. Yeah. Yeah, man, this after the project bill. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I'm just there, see me and wait for the truck, my people. I know the truck can't arrive yet still. Just there and cool out, on a bucket. Yeah. I wait for the truck for deliver the 100 block. Yeah, man, and 3 bags of cement. Yeah, so we can kick off a project idea. Yeah, man. Yeah, so I'm just there and go and wait for the truck. I want to say bless up my subscriber. Yeah, man, bless up yourself, Alec. Yeah, on this day, 19th of August 2024. Yeah, bless up yourself. Respect Alec for the $50 US. Yeah, so I'm here make up and buy some block for the project bill. Yeah, cause he said it's for the support of the project. Yeah, that is it. So I'm just there. I go and wait for the truck. So in the meantime, I wait for the truck. I just cook some food here. As soon as it come, I'm gonna see what I go on, but I cook some food. Check in what I go on the stove right as. Yeah, I cook some rice and curry chicken. Yeah, man, I get the chicken seasoned up now. I got some rice, some seasoning. Yeah, I got big chiller oil. I get it on the stove before it started to rain, cause you can see. Yeah, man, you hear the thunder roll. I get some rain, you know. Rain cloud in the sky, you know. Yeah, we're out here. I cook some food, see how we some curry chicken and some fully seasoned up. Yeah, man, seasoned to the bone, you know. Yes, guys, that is it. 1 pack of curry pony. We have more curry so fry up in the oil, same way. Yeah, man, so I get this chicken marinated and I'll cut up some season for it, some natural season. Yeah, that is it. Subscribe to the channel. Chicken fully seasoned up. Yeah, my people, right, sir? Yeah, sitting well, marinating. We got the rice over here, so ready for wash. Yeah man, we cook some curry chicken and white rice. Curry chicken and coconut sauce. Yeah, my rice here ready for wash. Yeah, we got a walnut scotchy pepper, you know? Yeah man, we want to get them seasoning up and clean up, and then cut up on the chicken and leave it for go and marinate. Meantime the rice, wash and put on the fire. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, out here cooking some food. Yeah, tell a friend for tell a friend. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah guys, everything fully seasoned up now. Yeah man, look at that. All I see is chop up honey. Yeah, onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, hot scotchy pepper. Yeah, that look a bit after the rice, we season up the rice. Yeah. So catch me, I wash the rice and now get it on the fire right here. So. Okay, now that my rice is fully washed, yeah, get some salt in it. That way. Yeah, man, get it on the fire now. Get it on the stove now. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man, up on the stove, get it active up. Yeah. Alright, beautiful. Yeah, man. So I get this thing cut up in right now and let it go and boil up and simmer down. Meantime, the meat there, so I marinate it. So I'm gonna line up some coconut milk. You have to cook down this curry chicken. Yeah man, so curry chicken and coconut milk, white rice. That is it. Yeah man, out here, even though it look like rain gonna fall, you know. But we're still out here in a makeshift kitchen. Do a thing. Big up Alex. Yeah. He donated 50 US to me towards this project. Yeah, respect bro. Peace. Chuck finally there guys. Yeah man, see the thing them there. Active. Yeah, right, that's how I put them. Yeah. Yeah. Just bring me one nice cement guys. Yeah man, you want a tear. Yeah man, the truck finally there with the 100 block and 3 bag of cement. For me and cement up. Yeah man, I help carry some of them things before. Yeah guys, yeah man, 100 block. The truck just a go away. 100 block of cement. 3 bag of cement, I bring in one already. Well, for work to bring in them cement. I'm black here now, but work have to go on. Yeah. I bring in a cement now. I look at mom bring in the black. I get the coconut grater now. I never show none of my grater it. Fully grater it. Yeah, there's some this are for the chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna cook down the curry chicken and some coconut milk. So I'm gonna get this strain off right now. Yeah, and get this pot on the fire because this is the pot I'm gonna cook the chicken in. Yeah, but see what I'm going over here so for the rice. The rice light up in the rice there. I start boil up it. Fire blaze. Yeah, so out here. Makeshift kitchen. Yeah man, I cook some curry chicken and rice. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, 1 cup of coconut milk. Fresh. Yeah man, natural coconut milk ready. Yeah, so my pot over there so I get hot right there so meat really fully seasoned up. Yeah, rice actually cooked already. You go and simmer for about 5 more minutes. Low flame. So I get some oil in the pot you know. Yeah. Big jill of oil right there so in the pot. Alright, that is it. Yeah, as soon as that hot, yeah, we have one curry so yeah, we're gonna fry some curry night as soon as we get hot. Yeah man, stay tuned to see what I go on. Yeah, we're out here cooking. That is it. Yeah, okay my people, look at that. Yeah man, chicken is fully fried down. Look at that. You know, I can't see so good enough for the place overcast. I get this seasoning right now. Yeah man, that's the aroma nice. Keep that. Start with that about 1 minute. coconut milk. Look at that, guys, beautiful. You know, let that go and simmer down now. Yeah. I give that about 15 to 20 minutes for simmer down. Yeah, man, so catch me on the simmer down to the rice. Yeah. The rice fully cooked. Yeah, so we have some curry chicken and rice. Tell a friend for tell a friend. People, look how I go on this. Yeah, man, coconut milk and simmer down now. Fully active. Yeah, I give it about 10 more minutes. Yeah, and you'll catch me and eat some food. Rice done. Yeah, chicken curry with the seasoned rice. Yeah, man, watch it. Go down, season it down. Out here. Yeah. It's that time now. Yes, my people. Food finally finished. Look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah, some curry chicken cooked down in a coconut milk. Yes, I drink coconut sauce. Yeah, and some seasoned rice. Yeah, man. Yummy, delicious. Take a look at taste. Taste it, guys. Can you smell that? People, catch me some food. Food finally ready. Let's have a look at the taste. People words can't explain how this one tastes. I have 1 glass of lemonade. Yeah, 1 glass of lemonade, guys. Fully active chicken and rice. Yardman thing. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel and catch me in the next one.